Oh, good morning. Oh, you're on the wonk. Oh dear. Let's get you straightened. Oh, it's a bit chilly. The winds. I mean, I don't know what the weather is like where you were, but yesterday, oh, the rain. I mean, sideways, and the wind. It's still quite chilly. Yeah. But I haven't been to the allotment for a few days, and it has been quite warm on those days before that the windy weather, and oh no, you know, some of my seedlings have suffered a little bit, which is a real shame. So I've watered them, and I'm hoping they're going to recover. These are the climbing beans. They're looking very sad. Oh, turn your back for 5 seconds and, you know, oh, the sweet peas are looking all right, but it's the sunflowers at the back that are looking very unhappy. Which is, yeah, so it's really the sunflowers and the climbing beans that have sort of really suffered in what was probably quite a hot sun coming through the window. The cucumbers look okay though. I think they are cucumbers. Yeah. Although something's in here that's eating. Look, that's just been munched. So I'm going to have to do a little inspection, try and find the culprit. And yeah, come outside because it's yeah, I mean it was really sunny earlier on, but of course the sun's gone away now. Oh, have I got my microphone? Yeah. Yeah, I need to do some weeding. Quite a bit of weeding needs doing these parts. I mean, because it's kind of mid-April and the weather's warming up. Although you wouldn't believe it today. Obviously the weeds are going to go nuts, aren't they? This, I don't know if I've shown this because I can't remember, but I've extended the no dig. And obviously I need to get more compost. That's why the pallets are sort of weighing down the cardboard, etc. I've got a little bit of wood chip there in that bag that I'm just going to put down one path. It's not going to be enough for the whole lot, but that's fine. It's you know, little and often. Oh, and I must remove the flour. I mean, it's kind of gone nuts, but that's fine. I got a lot of rhubarb, so I'm not too worried. But look at it. It's quite spectacular, really, when you think about it. But yeah, I need to kind of pull that up, which is going to be, look at it, geez, oh, maybe cut it. I don't think I'm pulling it. It's going to be easy. Cut it away. Look, the base. Wow, I've never seen that before. That's new to me. But a lot of you said when I showed it last time, said your rhubarb had bolted as well. So obviously the weather's, you know, not been, well, it's been hot and cold, so maybe they just put the plants under stress. Yeah, so a lot of weeding today. My horseradish, it's alive. That's good. It's quite chilly, and obviously there's potentially a frost, and my idea didn't work. I mean, I need to reattach that bit of wood, but yeah, I don't know if you can see. I need to reattach that wood. I sort of drilled holes in it to try to wedge the this, but that didn't work. I'll probably have another go at it because our cable ties come off actually on this bit of wood, and it wasn't really very tight. Yeah. Oh, more weeding. I took off the cover of this because the shallots have taken over. Really, I think this is spring cabbage, but really they weren't doing very well for whatever reason. So this bed needs weeding, and to allow the shallots space to grow. That didn't really work, but never mind. Oh, look at my boysenberry. That has actually grown loads. Wow. This is all this kind of growth coming up here is all new. Yeah, very nice. I'm hoping for lots of boysenberry plants from there. My Taunton Dean is still alive. It's still there, and it's actually got more purple, which is fantastic. It wasn't very purple when I planted it out. This is red. I don't know if it's red or white currant or whatever. I don't know, or black currant, but it's coming back very nicely. And this is a thornless blackberry. So that's, which I'm kind of going to sort of try and grow along there somehow. It's definitely grown some. my sage will flower soon, and this is a lovely sage. It really flowers all through the summer. It's absolutely beautiful. Yeah, look at the Taunton Dean. It's alive. They're quite hardy, I'm guessing. And my cage is holding up, which is brilliant. Oh, some serious blossom on the apple tree. Wow. That's amazing. That's really lovely. That's the first time I've seen that. Brilliant. Hopefully lots of apples this year. Oh, let's get that up. Oh, get this chair up. Weeding. There should be lettuce under here, but I reckon this needs weeding. I can see just through. It needs weeding, but hopefully I sowed lettuce seeds. I've got a feeling they're probably either being munched and the weeds need... what I'll do is I'll probably weed this first, because then we can have a really good look, and then put the cover back over. Yeah. This needs attending, because there's potatoes in there that are growing. Yeah, so I think it's a weeding day today, bearing in mind spring. Spring does that, doesn't it? Everything starts to grow ferociously, including the weeds. Yeah, it's chilly though, I must say. I think a coffee warmed me up. Coffee. The Merlin bird app. We've only got two birds dominating the... I don't know if you can hear it because it's quite windy out there. Blackbird and a robin. That's so far. That was lovely having that barn owl the other day. I wish I'd heard it. That would have been even better. It's quite shocking. First time ever that's come up on the app. Wow. Cheers, everybody. Oh, just a quick coffee because I've got to start weeding. I'm hoping these plants recover. Yeah. Oh. Let's have a look at comments. Oh, Carol, you said you're hacked because you hacked your raspberries right back, and funny enough, I need to sort of deal with mine. They're just in the wrong place, you know. So you said, hey Kerry, my hacked back raspberries are growing. Goes to show they take punishment. I do nothing but abuse them. They still bear fruit. Pigeons and badger especially will be very happy later in the summer. Great video, Kerry, as usual. Thank you, Carol. Thank you so much. Oh, you Julie Allinson, you're talking about Taunton Dean. I propagated cuttings from mine the last 3 years when my main plant gets way too big. Works great and so easy. Oh, that's really good to know. It really is. I'm very excited because I do love greens, and so eating kale is going to be, and to have it all year round, hopefully. Rosemary, S21127. Great progress, Kerry. Thank you. Super netted cage for the kale. I found that if I cut across in the tennis balls, this is a good point actually. Put them on the top of the cages. It protects the netting from damage. Enjoy the kale. Great choice. Oh, thanks very much. That's really funny because Rosie likes tennis balls, but when they get a little bit, you know, she sort of chews them a bit too much. They're going to be perfect. I do actually have a few, but I do need to replace with some new ones because yeah. Bristol veggies beds, you said. I've got Taunton Dean kale as well. It's great. Jacqueline Buste. Hi, Jacqueline. Hi, Jax. How you doing? Morning, Kerry. Yippee. I'm so glad you've managed to plant your Taunton Dean. Well, you followed it from its inception, haven't you? I mean, phew. What work that entailed. And wow, they look amazing. Loving your protection frame. See you on the next one. Have a wonderful day. Oh, thanks, Jax. That's lovely. And thank you so much for your earrings. I can't wait to show them on my on the cooking channel, because that's obviously I've got a larger audience. I'll show them here next time, but I need to bring them with me. I have to remember. But they're so cute and really sweet. A lot of them are food themed. I really loved that. They're really nice. I wish I had them with me. I would show them, but yeah, we'll show them on the cooking channel ASAP. Mel, you said, hi Kerry, my perpetual kale was gifted by a dear friend, growing brilliantly, healthy and happy. Then opened my blinds one morning to find stalks left, blanking pigeons. Oh no. Well, I'm glad I did the cage. Now protected by cake nets, or cage nets maybe. I don't know whether that's cake nets. It could be cake nets. Regrowth looking promising, and pigeons are really ticked off. Oh well, yeah. I mean, you know, they're gluttons. They love to eat, don't they, pigeons? Perpetual kale are like triffids. They are prolific. Oh, that's fab. Oh, well, that's lovely. Thanks, everybody. I do love your comments, 100%. I've been a bit rubbish at responding, but I do read them. So, and I eventually get there. I like to try to catch up before a new vlog's out. So we'll see how we get tonight, because I'm going to try and put this out tonight. So after dinner, I'll edit furiously and upload it. Oh, right, sun's trying to get out, which I think means let's go and do some weeding. See you out there. Definite lettuce seedlings right there. Those little, that's lettuce, because they're all in a row. So I'm going to carefully weed this and then put the cover back on. So yeah, let's get started. I hope you can see what's left is the actual lettuce. It was slightly scattered, but it's meant to be in between the rows. Very fine seed and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to crack on and weed that bed. But I'll put the cover on first for this one. Yeah, see you in a bit. More off camera, so I'll show you. But look at this. This is all membrane plastic. I mean, it's horrible, isn't it? That was in this bed, the cucumber bed. I mean, obviously I grow the cucumbers here, but I can grow more things underneath there and some more climbers there. But I mean, that's just absolutely horrific. I think there's probably more in there, so I'll probably have to kind of try and get it out in time. I've weeded the, shallot bed, and also a neighbour kindly gave me some parsley and some parsley seeds, but this is lovely. Really, really great. I just need to water them, actually, although it might rain. Yeah, but that's fantastic. So I've put them in. Obviously I've weeded the perennial leek bed. Oh, that bed there as well, which is great. Yeah, so a fair bit there. More to do, but you know, little enough. Oh, look at that. I do love blossom. Beautiful. Right, so that's me. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.